Indonesia, country located off the coast of mainland Southeast Asia in the Indian and Pacific Ocean. It is an archipelago that lies across the equator and spans a distance equivalent to 1/8 of the Earth's circumference. Some basic information about Indonesia. Official name. Its official name is the Republic of Indonesia. The head of the state and the government is the President, Joko Widodo. The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. The official language that is spoken is Indonesian. The monetary unit that is used is Indonesian rupiah, in short Rp, and its exchange rate is quite magnificent. $1 is almost equals to 14,500 Indonesian rupiah, which means if you take even $100 means $100 with to Indonesia, you will become a millionaire. The total area of Indonesia is around 1,091,000 square kilometers. The literacy rate of Indonesia is quite high. The male literacy rate is 97.2% and the female literacy rate is 93.6%. World's largest flower, Rafflesia arnoldi, an indigenous flower to the islands of Sumatra. It is the largest individual flower that has ever existed. It can weigh up to 8 kgs. It has a powerful, unpleasant odor, and it is also known as the corpse flower, ensuring that you will smell the flower at least half a mile before you see it. Maximum number of volcanoes. Indonesia is situated on the top of where two mammoth tectonic plates meet. Indonesia is a hotbed of seismic and tectonic activities, giving rise to one of Indonesia's most defining geological features, volcanoes. Indonesia is a home to about more than 400 volcanoes, of which 127 are still active right now. World's most expensive coffee. Hold your appetite for this peculiar fact about Indonesia. The country is home to a cat-like mammal known as Asian palm civet. Coffee berries are fed to these civets, whose feces is collected to extract the famous Kopi Luwak coffee beans. Interestingly, these coffee beans are the most expensive coffee beans in the world, and in the same time they can be also said to be the most disgusting coffee beans that have ever existed. The price of this coffee can range between $35 to $100 a cup, or about $100 to $600 a cup. Color changing lake. This fact about Indonesia may seem like something from a fairy tale. The Kelimutu volcano has an exciting and rather stunning phenomena. If you climb up this volcano, you can see the water in the lakes changing their color. It's not any kind of magic, it's pure science. It happens due to the different kind of volcanic gases reacting with the lake water constantly. World's largest Buddhist temple. Borobudur or Borobudur is a 9th century Mahayana Buddhist temple not far from central Java, Indonesia. It is the world's largest Buddhist temple. The temple consists of 9 stacked platforms, 6 square and 3 circular, topped by a central dome. It is decorated with 2,672 relief panels and 504 Buddha statues. The central dome is surrounded by 72 Buddha statues, each seated inside a perforated stupa. World's largest lizard. An interesting fact about Indonesia is that dragons do exist here. Komodo dragon is one of the fascinating animals in Indonesia. Reaching up to 10 feet in length and more than 300 pounds, Komodo dragon are the heaviest lizards on earth. They have long, flat heads with rounded snouts, scaly skin, bold legs, and huge and muscular tails. And an interesting thing is that they also have venom, which means one bite from them can kill you within hours. Deadly Harvesting Festival. The Pasola is a harvesting festival in Sumba, Indonesia. This is one of the most extravagant celebrations because it involves throwing of wooden spears with blunt tips on the rival team members. Earlier, the suggestions were of metal spears, which were sharp enough to kill a human, though it was a matter of pride to die during this festival. The most explosive mountain. Mount Tambora is the most volcanic mountain in Indonesia. The most massive eruption took place in 1815 and was heard 1930 km away from the Sumatra island. Sadly, it took the lives of about 70,000 innocent people. Though the most destructive volcanic eruption in the history of mankind was also recorded in Indonesia. It was the 1883 eruption of the Krakatoa volcano. It is believed to be the deadliest volcanic eruption recorded in the history of mankind. The seismic waves are believed to be experienced even a year later after in 1884. So these were some of the interesting facts about Indonesia. Please don't forget to like the video and press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our new videos.